Hello, I'm Amelia and today I'll be talking to you about the Bespoke Easibelt conveyor that has been manufactured in our workshop in Bristol. This conveyor is being sent to a high-end brand cosmetics manufacturer and is being used to transport products safely and efficiently through their picking line. These three 8.1 metre long conveyors have been fitted with 4 metre long work surfaces that have been attached either side of the conveyor. The Easibelt 300 has a smooth PVC belt fitted for seamless operation with belt speeds of 0.2 to 0.9 metres per second. The framework and stands have been manufactured in stainless steel and have been fitted with an emergency stop button to ensure safety of those operating the conveyor. This conveyor is versatile, meaning it can be loaded by hand or small machine and can be manufactured in either 20 standard lengths and variable belt widths. This conveyor is the perfect solution for distribution and logistics centres across the UK for either temporary or permanent processing lines. Please feel free to contact us for more information or to speak to one of our specialists. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.